So those are some really nice hummingbirds right there. Because you know that is Jamaica's national bird. It's called the hummingbird.
What's the name of it?
The hummingbird.
A hummingbird. I didn't see them here.
Yeah. No, they're hard to like.
I saw them in Brazil.
Yeah.
They call them, in Brazilian language, they call them the kissing flowers birds.
Oh yeah, they're always kissing flowers. So yeah.
Beija-flor.
They always fly away when you get too close.
But not in Brazil. In Brazil, if I find on my computer the video of them, I can show you. They were pretty close to me. And when I was walking closer, like, he was just flying a little bit to another flower, but he was still not that much afraid of me. It's so beautiful and so small.
So finally, we arrived. Yeah. And that's the airplane that we took in Silvio. Curaçao International Airport. It's real nice. A lot of trees. It's real good. Okay, so exploring to find the Hato Caves in Curaçao. The Hato Airport is that way, and then we're just trying to find the caves. So we have no idea where we're walking to. Just walking. I gotta say, Curacao is real nice and it's pretty clean. And the atmosphere, it's almost also very quiet. Where'd the bee go?
Here, inside.
He's inside? Ah.
This is flourishing.
Okay, so we had to turn back because we might have missed our spot. But it's weird that you have a tourist attraction and then there's no signs to say, hey, this is the way to the caves. Yeah, it looks like it was up there, but there's no signs, and that's just... Ooh. This seems right away. Oh, look at that bird. See if I can get it close. Not sure I got it, but yeah. So much birds though, and it's so quiet. Are they the yellow birds that you're talking about?
You see that?
Yeah, there's one. And I saw one down there, but I couldn't zoom in to get it. So that seems like something like the caves, I guess. Yeah. It does. It's here?
Yeah.
And you continue upward. Get out the road. Dang. Oops. Oh shit. Dogs. Dogs. Like, I'm afraid of dogs.
It's okay.
Yes, I'm afraid of dogs.
I know, but just don't. If they feel you're afraid,
Then they're gonna bite me?
they're gonna bite you. If you just don't care about them, it's okay.
Really?
Don't worry.
Why are these caves so hard to find?
Well, it's a nice walk, anyways.
Yeah, it's like getting Mishka to exercise.
Look there.
It's so pretty. Isn't that...
A few moments later.
I give up. I give up. These dogs are up for me today. But can you believe it? It's right in front of the hotel.
Look. It does look.
Look at it. This is the hotel right there, and it said to come down this way and turn, and now it's gonna send us that it's right in front of the hotel. The map sucks. It's a good thing we asked somebody.
Yes, but it's a good thing we've been here because it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's a nice walk. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. But it's so pretty going down. It's like you're getting back to the beach. It's so calm here though. Finally found it. And there was actually a sign. It's just that not in the direction that we were heading. So yeah. So yes, the Hato Caves. Ah. Here. It's nice inside.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going on the Indian Trail. It's real nice. Pretty.
Yeah. So silent.
Yeah. And peaceful. Lord, give me mercy. Hold on. This is like a, I think it's an iguana.
It's like the biggest. Yeah. Come closer. Come closer.
Go closer, suppose.
Yes. Don't worry.
It can smell my fare. I'll zoom in. Like, is it real? Is it for real? I'm not going any closer.
Yes, let's go.
No, I'm not going any closer. No, it's looking at us. I'm not going, like, calm down. No, like, guys, can you see it from here? Like, that's a big ass lizard. And if that should run me down, it's not gonna be pretty because I'm gonna
So
shoot it.
dangerous.
Oh, look, he's getting up. He's getting up.
It's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous. Anyways, let me just Snapchat him. I think Snapchat would be good enough for me. Like, let me just zoom in with my camera here. Lord.
It's like, like it's very old, you know, this whole thing.
Yeah. You're old. I think I've zoomed in too much. Alright, so guys, let me just explain from now. I am afraid of lizards. There are a few things that you're gonna be afraid of in life. And lizards is just the biggest one. I'm afraid of lizards and I'm afraid of rats. Yes, and I will forever be. I just have a phobia for those stuff. So no matter how much I love to explore, I'm just never gonna get used to that. Ever. So this is the shelter of colonians and slaves.
Slaves, yeah. And number 9 is Apis mellifera, which is common bee. These bees are not native. Very important.
Oh,
Let's
there's
see.
gonna be bees inside?
Let's see.
Yay! We're going inside.
Where are the bees?
I'm not sure where the bees are.
No bees. Where?
It's nice being inside. Yeah. Like so pretty.
Not yet?
Not yet. Not yet. Oh, so it's called the Wind Island?
Yeah. DVD tray.
The DVD tray. And what's 11?
11?
Yeah.
Opuntia ventiana. Prickly pearl.
Hi guys, this is so lovely.
They're just like coming from the
rocks.
rock.
Yeah, cactuses from the rocks. Like all of these right there.
You should zoom it. Think the cactuses, you should zoom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They look like a little couple.
Yeah. Yeah. Red and green.
Yeah, red and green. Does this cave right here have a name?
What's the number? No, no
no?
number.
Oh my god! Lord, look at that one. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Did I get it on camera? Did it fall just now? Or what fell?
No, look at the bird.
And the bird's there.
Wow, this is big.
That was a big one. Oh my god.
It's not a place for you.
Huh?
It's not a place for you.
It was pretty big though. And pretty.
Number 13.
Number 13.
Indian petroglyphs. 12,000 to 15,000 year old religious scenes. Let's see them.
Yes. So some Indian carvings right there.
Exactly. And here also.
Yeah.
They're like 800 years old.
800. Okay. This is like the cactus country though.
Yeah.
Super awesome.
Shafts for ships because it does not wear down easy and does not require
Oh,
grease.
so it's the toughest bark in the world? Yeah.
Nice. It doesn't look like though.
Yeah, it doesn't look that tough. But they say it is the toughest in the world. So I guess we have to hear what they say. It's so awesome here, guys. Like, so beautiful.
I'm so happy to be here,
Yeah. This is so nice. And all the bees there. And the trail. What is this one? Number 19.
Hippomone Manchinella Forest.
Manchinella Forest? Oh.
Descendants number 6.
Oh. I think he's still there.
Are you kidding me? No.
Oh yes, he's probably still there. Oh yes, he's still there. Can I walk on this side of the road? Lordy.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yes. There he is. Right there, guys. Let me zoom in. Where is he? He's so camouflage. No, there he is. He's just looking at us like...
Of course. Of course, because it's a little bit afraid.
It is not afraid. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the tour to start, which will be around 20 minutes next time. In the meantime, I'm just gonna walk around, see what's there to look at. There's a cave over there. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys something, right? Let's just hope he stays on the tree. Like really on the tree. And I'm staying all the way here. But like, that's how big the iguanas are here. Like, they're extremely big. And it's like they will just sneak up on you. Like, look at how big he is. It's two of them. Camera needs to be charged. It's huge. And I really can't believe that my camera is dying in a time like this. I'll be really upset with myself if it dies. So there's some turtles. Hi, turtle. How are you? Oh, they're having sex. I guess that's how turtles have sex. Oh, wow. Look at that. Would you just look at that? So that's how turtles do it and get down. Nice.
Maar de ijstijding was het zeeniveau gaan dalen met grote schotsysteem en liep achter enkele koraalterrassen. Dit is de hoge terras, bij de weg de middenterras, bij de landingsbaan de lage terras. En links beneden aan de overkant van de weg, dat terrein met die blauwe paardjes is plantage Hato. Met de slaventijd hebben ze daar gewerkt en gewoon de vluchtende slaven gebruikten de grot hier als schuilplaats. En daarom werd de grot ook door de slaven genoemd.
And here you have the rain formation on the rocks, a giant mushroom, all the rocks over there. Okay, so now after doing that tour, I am safe to say that I'm not afraid of iguanas anymore. Like, I wanted to get so close to one just now, just to take a pic, but it wouldn't allow me. But I'm not scared anymore. But still, it's like a lovely view of the rocks and so on there. Now I'm heading back to the hotel because my phone and my camera is dying. So I'm gonna get those charged. So yeah. Later guys. And the sunset, oh my god, the sunset. Wow. I definitely have to take a pic of this. Ah. Wow, and the bridge is actually moving.